good? Alright. Here we are, second game of the tournament. Josh Dingus, Central Star Warriors, kicks a booming kick foul. That's been his MO of late. Starts off slow with a bunch of foul kicks, but is able to bounce back normally and usually drop a kick in just barely short, but fair, and beat it around the bases before the defender can make a basket. Second kick, long and high.
No.
Hit the tree, bounce out into the bush. To be fair, Nick Michon will have trouble hitting here. Puts up a valiant. It's Nick Michon's first game back in Cascabel after a long hiatus.
Oh.
His kick will hit the flagpole and bounce around. Josh Dingus has to charge quickly and is able to make the layup.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. If you make it in time, you can like touch it out. Oh, that was hard.
He's now 1-0, top two. Josh Dingus at the plate.
Did you sigh?
Another long kick into the hands of Nick Michon off the tree, which isn't out. Michon puts a kick, tries to drop it in, but Josh Dingus is too quick and gets to it. It's on his high horse and gets there. I think he's going to try a little roller that'll bounce the garden, go into the street. Nick Michon will have no chance. 2-0. Bottom three. Able to knock it into the garden. Josh Dingus is charging hard. Damn it! Can't make the lip. Nick, you're taking too wide of an angle to third. Oh my. Question. If you catch it off the pole, isn't it out? Nick, you're not going to try to power it?
That's okay. That was
What's the
fun
score?
too.
3-1.
Is that a home run?
What was it?
Home run.
Make sure you stay out of the way, baby.
Got Sally hard.
What's all this? I was going on swing sets.
Aw.
That's how you will see them.
Big kick from Nick Michon.
No,
This will get his offense going.
They are doing
4-2
a big
now.
Game.
Top
That's
of
a big
fifth.
game. Long chair.
I didn't do
Let's go
anything.
get it.
Let's see anything?
All right, stay out of the way, baby. Thank you.
Hey, why keep kicking it foul, huh?
Wait, you shouldn't get hurt. That's good spot.
Oh! I think it just barely misses the casket, hitting it off the back rim. Michon is able to create the layup. That's his first defensive out.
No. I had a catch.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good. Nick boots one. It will be
Caught.
caught. Didn't foul there.
Whew.
Where'd it go?
It's in the bush.
Hey.
That's an out. Foul. That's fair.
Josh should be able to make the layup.
You're
Come
my...
on, man.
Why?
Try-
Hello. She's giving me a toy. You don't have time.
Oh, just barely fair.
No, he doesn't yet. He's gonna be.
interesting bounce. Oh, off the top of the backboard. Give me a long
Again.
one for Nick Michon. Remember, it's continuous ninth inning now. Nick Michon can't hold it, so Josh will decide to run.
Point.
Long kick.
No.
Yeah, but that was a nick.
The ball is stuck in the bush, calling for an out, completing the game.
Straight. You can see the cut. Oh, no. Sorry.
I was getting on.
You don't see the